Hi. There are some questions regarding the setup of the putting simulator. I would like to just show you quickly what my setup looks like and how you set it up for the first time. And hopefully this will help everybody to get it running. So let me show you how I've set it up. So this is my hitting area for my normal shots, which I'm also using to get the putting working. And on the side here I have a light to give me a good light. It's a little bit dimmed down, not the full light. And above that I have mounted just an HD camera which is pointing down, so that's about a meter, maybe 1.20 meters up, and this connects to my PC. For putting I use an orange ball which is nicely detected on top of that hitting area. So basically you just go to the GitHub page, then you scroll down to the README and read the setup instructions. I have also collected an FAQ which you find here to answer some basic questions I got. After you've read it, you just download the latest version. You go to the releases, go to the latest release, download the zip file. Then you unzip the file and you just execute the GSPRO Garmin Connect putting executable. It is packed together with the Garmin Connect app that was provided initially by Travis Lang, and I just added the putting app to that. So this is the app. So the options above are basically the original options. You can choose your IP address. This is for the R10 Connect, and the port, which is a standard E6 port. I have added 2 more options. So you select which ball color you would like to use. For me, orange 2 is working the best, so I have several options here. And you choose the webcam index. For me this is currently 0. 0 is if you have a laptop, normally your integrated webcam, and 1 would be an external one. So you just have to try. I cannot read it out here. Maybe this will be added later. Once you've got the settings correct, then you can just start the putting simulator. And you will see the video of the webcam which I just showed. Right now you see here that my shoes are in the detection area. So the detection area is always where the yellow rectangle is and all the way through. So my shoes are in there. If I take it out, then it's not a problem anymore. You can change the starting area where you need to place the ball before putting. If you hit A on your keyboard, then you can just adjust the area. If you see, if I increase it, my shoes are in the way again. If I decrease it, it's not. So you will need to try a bit in your setup. It is important that the area where the ball is placed is a solid color. So for me, green works good. Other people have reported they have best results with black, but just go ahead and use that. And this way you can use it. These settings will be stored, so if you start the app again, it's the same. If you have the issue that sometimes the radios, you see it here also a bit, is blinking between two numbers, then it has problems detecting it consistently maybe. And the radius is used to calculate the speed of the putt. So you can just fix it to radius. Actually for me, 16 is working good. Could also put it to 17. If it's smaller than the original size of the ball, then the speed will be detected a bit faster. If it's bigger, then it will be a bit smaller, a bit slower. You can try it out. And then you have these settings, and then you can just take a putt. So so you see the white line. The white line should be in your environment a straight putt, just to be able to calibrate it a bit. And if you move the ball and it's detected, then the app will mark it with a red circle. Here you see also now it's between 16 and 17, so I put it fixed at 16. When hitting the putt, the ball must cross the red line and must be detected 2 times after the red line to give a good reading. So as you saw just now, other objects can interfere with the object detection, so you should not step in while you're making a putt. So I will just show it. So you saw it. It detected the putt fine. It is actually telling me here that it was 2.8, I think, miles per hour as speed, and HLA, so horizontal launch, was -2, which is correct. It went a bit to the left. And this data is then forwarded via the Connect app to GSPRO. If Orange 2, for example, for an orange ball is not working for you, you have the option to choose the ball color as Calibrate, which will give you an opportunity to record a putt for 30 seconds. So it starts right away. 30 seconds it will record, and then it will replay that recording for all ball colors available. And in the end, it will show you where it found most detections. So I have a webcam that is 30 FPS. A higher FPS setting should give more detections. With this setup, I can produce putts that are accurate for me for about 8 to 10 miles per hour. So I can putt like about 10 meters or 30 feet. So I will show it in the end once now for running in GSPRO. So if you go to practice, on-course practice, then I just choose the practice facility. So now you have the issue that the putting view is not visible on the screen. So what I'm doing, I'm using a software called On Top Replica, and just select my putting view, and then it's available for me all the time. And I can even increase the window. And now you see here that there's a club selection, and the club selection must be on PT for putter in order to enable the putting. So as you see here, automatically it's one issue here in the practice area. It's not an issue on normal course play. And the GSPRO development is working on that to fix it. The non-putter club was detected, so putting mode was disabled, and then I selected it manually, and then it detected that putting was detected, and so putting mode was enabled. And if I go now here in, I have just a 2-meter putt, so this is in meters. I will just try to hit it. And the putt was made. As you see here, that was a straight putt, and it was also detected fairly straight. Yeah, that's it. Some people have now also placed the webcam on the top and have good success doing this. For me, it's working fine on the side, so it probably depends on your setup. I hope this helps, and have fun using it.